Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to work on Remotask tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. So now here we are on remotask.com, and if you don't have an account yet, then we have a guide in which I guide you all the way through in creating your own Remotask account. So make sure to watch that if you don't have an account yet. But once you're here in the dashboard, what you need to do in order for you to start working on Remotask is to click here on onboarding. So click here, and then you will now be prompted here. So in my case, I don't have a lot. As you can see, most of the projects here are grayed out. The only available project is transcription. That is because this account is just a beginner account. I just created this, so this is why it's like this. So if you would want to start building this on your own, so you want to build your way up from the content and language to 2D to 3D and so on right here, you would need to take this up first. So click here, and you want to click here on the on this one right here. So you want to go and take this course right here. So you would need to be able to pass this course in order for you to start earning with this project right here. So this is the only way, and you would need to start here, and once you have completed this course, then now you'd be eligible to start earning money with this project. But of course, this one earns very little compared to the other projects in here. So of course, this project right here earns very little because this is only for beginners and it doesn't really earn that much. So you would need to level up your projects right here to 2D or 3D to earn much better. But don't worry, if you would want to access this easily, I have a faster way on how you can do that, which is by going into Facebook and joining the Remotask group depending on your locations. For example, here, this is the Remotask group for Philippines, USA, and India. So from here, you can find people that are looking for taskers like you. So for example, this one right here. So as you can see, it says, if you also need ready to task accounts, also you can DM this guy, and then he would provide you the task right here. Most of it are in 2D or 3D category based on my experience. So this is a really fast way to start working with a 2D and 3D instead of building it up yourself. So for example, you are looking for a Remotask group. So all you have to do is go to Facebook and search here, Remotask group, and then your location. So for example, you're in India, so you want to type India. And then groups right here would pop up that is available in your location. As you can see, Remotask India and so on, and you will find a lot of people here that is looking for taskers like you to hire so that you would be able to do their task for them. So yeah, this is the best way on how you can get started on working on Remotask easily compared to building it up from scratch yourself. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.